As you can see, that is the website. So let's click on that first link. So then it takes us to the Canva. So when you're there are things that you're going to do. For example, in this case, we are looking at Facebook cover photo. So that for those that are creating page, they are able to use that one. So Facebook cover photo, then you choose of course the first one or any from the list. Now from there you can see they are appearing, then you come there and choose the one that you like the most. There are millions of them, you cannot complete all of them. So choose the one that you think is relevant according to the business that you're carrying out. So in this case, you can see there is that lady over there. That's the one that I chose. So yeah, the one that I chose. So you can change the color of editing. Look at where I'm clicking. That's how you shall follow these steps. If you really want to use that, those are the colors. Now look at that. After I've clicked on that color, it does the color palette that in code, so you choose from that. Yes, so that's it for now. Now go into the color, the text color. Text color, you can see it easy to do. You only need to highlight on to click on the A that is written on top of the left hand side of your screen. Then you continue doing so. Then you can see I've changed the background colors. And then another thing is that what I'm showing there is the font. So you can choose the fonts that you want your brand to use. Really, you can have 2 to 3, write them down and be using those fonts whenever you are creating anything, because that is all your brand is. So choose the fonts that you need from the list and ensure that you write them down. The list is also long, so choose 3 to 4 so that anytime you want to do anything, ensure that you use the fonts that you chose and the one that you wrote. A brand should have all those things. So yeah, you can see now that's it. Trying to restore the colors, also to make it pop. Yeah, that's it. So another thing is definitely to go over and now look for a photo that we need on Pixel. All the pictures that are here are copyright free, so no one is gonna probably follow you up on whatever you do. So in this case, I want to look for someone that is smiling, and in this case, it's like I'm not getting anything. So I will have to come back and type again. So what can I type? Happy. Then let me try and see if I can get someone or something out of that. And to my surprise, okay. Alright, so you can see there are so many people that are smiling. So I can go over and choose one picture. That gentleman looks good, but he's facing the other side, so I think he shall go with his girl. So let's use the lady over there and then download eventually. So let me go there and also look for the website that I usually use to remove the background. It's called remove background. It's called remove background. Then insert the picture that you've downloaded there, and it's in 1, 2, 3, and it's done. So you go over and download it. So go back to the to our work, and we want to replace this picture with another one. So definitely we're going to upload it there. So click on upload, and then you can drag it. You need to click on left click on your cursor, and then drag it. You drag it in, yeah, drag it. So if you click, it's gonna appear on your canvas. You can see if you click once, it's gonna appear, but when you drag, it's easy for you to come over and place it on top of what? On top of probably on top of the background that is set there. So the background for the photo, it's called the frame. I guess it's frame. So you can drag it there, and now it inserts itself very perfectly. So you can see our photo doesn't disturb any other thing. It is just itself, and there is no unnecessary background on that photo, so the photo itself looks great. So in this case, then we're trying to figure out can see there. So let us try to do something here. So that is how you find home. There is three dots over there, so you're going to click on those three dots, and then that dialog box appears, and then when it appears, there is home over there. So you click on the home, and then it takes you back to home. And surprising enough, no work get lost. Everything that you do is saved. So let's try to do some posts. Then I like doing it with on Instagram size, because it's like it fits on any platform. It fits so well on TikTok, fits so well on IG, fits so well on Facebook, fits so well on LinkedIn. It's a nice size. I don't know why, but it fits on any. So I like using Instagram sized what? How do you call it? Instagram sized Canva. So in this case, you can see we need to do. This is the margin I was talking about. Ensure that your margin is checked. So you can see all those. You can use all of them to ensure that maybe if you're not good at maybe using it manually, you can use them to help you place different things in the right position, but ensure that the margin is still there. And to move the margin, you can put the logo there, the picture, you can put anything in between there, and you just play around with your design the way you want it to look like. So another thing is that also, as you do that, you can look at nice fonts that other people are using, and you can get them up and start using them if at all you don't believe yours. So that's it. So you can see we've just started, and we want to take the picture of the lady that was smiling. You can see this is how you increase the size, and we've increased that size. And having a lady that is smiling, we can think of probably a toothpaste. You can use a toothpaste to try to explain something. So that's how you choose font. I mean, that's how you choose what you want to write. You click on the text, and then you can follow any of these. The ones that have the Pro, don't use them because you've not paid, unless you've paid for Pro Canvas Pro. Then if you are on free mode, look at the ones that doesn't have the logo on them. Then you can use them, the font that you want. But in this case, let's use the one that you've just chosen, and try to write something over it. Let's see, can do it. Elevate your smile. Okay, let me see, what can we write there? Let's try to elevate your smile. Elevate your smile, and put the smile there. And then you're gonna drag it there where everyone can see it, and then there is that kick up. So in this case, we need to reduce the line spacing. So there's the line spacing over there. So let's try to change the line spacing between one sentence and the other, and between one word and the other. So that's how you remove it, or you reduce the gap in between. You can see how I'm playing with them to show you if you want them to maybe to be far apart or close to each other, you can use those line spacing there. Then of course you will have to reduce the font, it's too big, reduce to your liking, and then you can adjust it and put it where you want. Of alignment, change the alignment and use the alignment that pleases your heart, and then you can place it there. Then obviously something else you're gonna think of is what makes the teeth white. Of course, gonna think of something like toothpaste. Yeah, you think of toothpaste, so let's look for Colgate and see whether you can get the Colgate from Google. Then I know. So you bring it there and remove the background in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So from there you go over and go back to your design. Then you can go over and do it and upload it there. So when you upload it, go to your, and you can see choosing it. Okay, so you won't be able to see that. So you bring it there. So you can use the that's to rotate your thing the way you want it to look like. So if that's your liking, you can let it be. If not, then obviously you can look for the design that you want, because definitely that's what you want to achieve at the end of the day. Yeah, so that's it. So you're gonna change the background of our image, or rather our poster. So look at the color that pleases your heart. So you can see there are a variety of colors, and then obviously if you don't want that, then you're gonna look for something else. It's called a gradient. You're going to go to the elements part and type gradient, and then you choose a gradient that is now to put a nice background. Yeah, so first of all remove that one, click on there, and then obviously delete it. You can delete using your computer or something else. So you can see that's how it looks like. It looks beautiful according to me. It looks so beautiful. Then come there and then go to, you will right click, then you drag to the align and put it back, send it back. So you can see now it's the background. So play around with your design the way you want, and play around. You can rotate it the way you want, the way you want it to look like. You have all the time in this world to play around with this thing, because yeah, you need to take your time, play around with this. This is a random design, so you don't need to be that much perfect. Yeah, that's the design you need. So let's say you can see you can add some um, other other people's work, and you can try to check from what the others are doing, and probably you can even steal some of the fonts that they put over there and copy it over and paste it on top of my work, and then paste my work, copy and then paste on that new font. So you're gonna go and remove that one, put it there. You can put it the way you want it to look like. In this case, you are the driver. You decide what you want. In this case, you decide what you want. All you need to do is to activate your brain to become more creative. Very simple. It's a very simple work. So as you can see there's something else you want to do is get the frame in a circle, so that probably we can put our logo over there. And so let's look for a random logo and display it there. So probably I'll go to my uploads and see whether I have any logo there. So if yes, then anyway, so you can see how easy all this is. So you can go over and download your ad, and there you go. That's an ad for Colgate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.